आई होप आप सबने हमारे पिछले वीडियोस देख लिए हैं जिसमें वी हैव स्पोकन अबाउट the importance of stretching and strengthening. So now in today's video we will be diving into the specifics of upper body and upper limb stretching. So the major muscle groups of your upper body include the pectoral muscles, your trapezius muscles, triceps, biceps, muscles of the scapula and muscles of your forearm.
Now how to stretch. Stretching should be done in a comfortable position. जो भी स्ट्रेचेस हम आपको बताने वाले हैं उसको एक कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन में जाके कीजिए. That means you shouldn't overstretch your muscle or it may lead to muscle injury. Just take your arm to the position where you feel the tension in your muscle and just उसी position को 20 to 30 seconds तक hold करना है. Now if you are a trained athlete or if you are preparing yourself for a competitive sport, you can start your stretching from 30 seconds and extend it to 60 seconds. How many times do you need to stretch? If you are a common individual or a beginner, you can stretch for 2 to 3 times a day. But if you are an athlete or a competitive sports person whose muscle demands are more, you can stretch for 5 to 6 times a day. When to stretch? Stretching can be included in your daily routine. You can use stretching as a warm-up exercise as well as a cool-down. For warming up, you can do stretching 5 to 10 seconds before starting your workout. This will lengthen your muscle and will reduce the risk of muscle injury. As a cool-down, you can do stretching 5 to 10 minutes after your workout is done. This will release the muscle tension and will reduce your muscle soreness.
So we are now going to show you some simple exercises which you can do every day to prevent the ill effects of tightness, to maintain a good muscle health, which you can also do as a good warm-up and cool-down routine before your sports activities. Pre-game stretches have been proven to increase the performance and agility of the athlete, and post-game stretches have been proven to prevent injuries and fatigue soreness. So let's start with one of the major muscle groups of our upper body, that is the pectoral muscles located in the chest region. They have two fibers, the upper and the lower fibers. Now to stretch the lower fibers of your pectoral muscles, stabilize your hands in a V shape in the doorway and move forwards with your chest. Hold the stretch for 15 to 20 seconds and repeat 3 times. So for stretching of the upper fibers, stabilize your hands in a doorway in a 90 degree manner and move forwards with your chest till you feel the stretch in your pectoral muscles.
Next is complete upper limb stretch. Now this stretch stretches all your muscles from your shoulder to your wrist. For doing this stretch, sit straight or stand erect, interlock your fingers and put your hands straight above your head. Make sure your arms are closer to your ears. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. Do not overstretch your muscle or it may lead to muscle injury. Continue for 2 to 3 times. Shoulder stretch. This stretch is for muscles situated near your shoulder joint or behind your scapula. ये स्ट्रेच करने के लिए आपको सीधा खड़ा रहना है या फिर सीधा बैठना है. अभी आपको हाथ को ऑपोजिट साइड को लेके आना है and then stretch it or give over pressure with the other hand. Make sure that your hand is straight and is parallel to the ground. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat the same with the other hand. You can continue for 2 to 3 times.
For stretching the bicep muscle, raise your arm to 90 degree and place it on a wall. Rotate only your upper body away from the hand till you feel the stretch. Once you felt the stretch, hold for 15 to 20 seconds and repeat 3 times.
Tricep stretch. Now triceps is a muscle situated behind your arm. ये स्ट्रेच करने के लिए आपको सीधा बैठना है या फिर स्ट्रेट खड़ा रहना है. अभी ये स्ट्रेच करते वक्त आपको आपके हाथ को पीछे जो बोन होता है स्कैपुला उसको टच करना है. And then you have to give over pressure with the other hand. Let's see how. Repeat the same with your other hand. Do not overstretch. Stretch only for 20 to 30 seconds and then you can continue for 2 to 3 times. Next is forearm stretch. Now the muscles in our forearm get weak or tightened very easily. So ये forearm stretch करना सबके लिए बहुत important है.
The muscles of your forearm include your wrist extensors and your wrist flexors. These muscles are very prone to soreness injuries. To stretch the flexor muscles of your wrist, face your palm outwards, grab your fingers with your other hand, then straighten your elbow and pull your fingers towards yourself. To stretch the extensor muscles of your hand, rotate your palm such that the back of your hand faces upwards, grab your fingers with the other hand and straighten your elbow and then pull your fingers towards yourself until you feel the stretch. Once you feel the stretch, you hold it for 15 to 20 seconds and to be repeated 3 times. Make sure you check these red flags before performing any exercises and first consult your physical therapist or your orthopedic doctor.
If you really love watching our video, please hit the like button. Do share with your friends and family whom you want to help, and subscribe to our channel to get notified whenever we post a video. If you have any queries regarding to this video, you can comment down or email us on email ID given below. Thank you.